APS is closed today, and that means all extracurricular activities tonight as well. Was this pretty much what you expected?
Yeah, it is, and we're going to see more of it. Unfortunately, we're not done with the system yet. In fact, the first part has moved on in and moved on out. And here's a look at the snow totals so far. 18 inches at the top of Sandia Tram, Glorieta, a foot of snow, Red River 9 inches, Sandia Park 8 inches of snow there, 6 inches in the foothills, and Ruidoso picking up 4 inches so far. And we're going to add to these totals as the second part of the system moves on in later this afternoon and through the overnight hours. And even though we're done with part one, you can still see snow showers linger across much of central New Mexico, even in and around the metro area right now. And then we're going to see this expanding coverage across west central New Mexico, southwest, especially the southwest mountains, and of course south central parts of the state as well, and into the Rio Grande Valley. So we can pick up 6 to 12 inches of snow total for the metro area as we head into tomorrow morning. Across the eastern part of the state, you're not going to see too much more in the way of snow. Your big story, of course, is the bitter cold that's moved in, dangerously cold out there. Wind chill factor 10 to 30 degrees below zero, and when you get that cold, it only takes a half an hour to get frostbite. So dangerously cold there, and significantly colder down the southeast as well. Wind chill in the single digits there. 7 below is what it feels like in the metro area. So this is a breakdown of what you can expect as we head through the next couple of days through the rest of the storm. Four Corners, San Juan's, Mountain Valley snow will continue through early tomorrow. Gusty winds, frigid temperatures, 2 to 4 inches for the northwest plateau, and of course higher amounts up in the mountain locations there. Northern mountains, snow will be heavy at times, especially later this afternoon and tonight, and by early tomorrow, 10 to 20 inch accumulations not out of the question there. Snow will start to taper off tomorrow afternoon, and of course dealing with a dangerous cold through early tomorrow as well. North and east scattered snow will continue through tomorrow afternoon. Windy, winds near 45-mile-per-hour gusts there. Wind chill 10 to 30 degrees below zero, and record-setting cold across much of the east, even though we're not going to see much more in the way of snow there. East central part of the state, bitterly cold temperatures. Snow will be heavy at times. It will start to taper off tomorrow afternoon. We'll see 3 to 6 inch totals there as we head through tomorrow morning. And then, of course, over in the East Mountains, heavy snow, strong winds, a foot or more possible as we head through tomorrow afternoon. It'll finally start to taper off late tomorrow, and, of course, dealing with the dangerously cold conditions there as well. Metro area, we'll continue to see on and off snow as we head through the day. Could become heavier tonight, continuing through tomorrow morning and starting to taper off tomorrow afternoon, and looking at totals anywhere from 6 to 12 inches for the metro. South and west, heavy snow through tomorrow afternoon, 11 to 15 inches possible. Of course, bitterly cold, and in the Gila area, looking at a foot or more of snow as well. And that's going to go for the Sacramentos. A lot of snow there, 1 to 2 feet possible as we head through tomorrow, and it's not going to wind down until late tomorrow afternoon. So here's your forecast now, region by region. For the northwest, cloudy. We'll continue to see scattered snow, perhaps picking up as we head through the overnight hours. 20s for highs in Durango, 29 in Farmington, and then down into the single digits tonight and below zero up toward Durango. Highs only in the teens tomorrow. The snow tapers off. Drier Thursday, Friday, but we could see another round of snow for the latter half of the weekend. South and west, cloudy. We'll continue to see snow here, really starting to pick up tonight through early tomorrow. Temperature-wise, we'll stay in the teens and 20s up toward the north, with highs in the 40s down across far southern New Mexico. South and east, scattered snow as we head through the afternoon and into the overnight hours. Not too much for you. Roswell may pick up an inch or so as we head through tomorrow. Highs, though, only in the teens and 20s, then down into the single digits tonight. 17-year high for Roswell tomorrow, then down below zero tomorrow night. Highs in the 20s on Thursday, finally back into the 40s by Friday. North and east, more snow, frigid, not too much, though, 1 to 2 inches more up in the northeast. Temperature-wise, struggling to get out of the single digits for most of you today, and then down well below zero tonight. Northern mountains, windy and cold. Highs here only in the teens. 15 to 25 degrees below zero tonight. Santa Fe looking at a high of 10 today, 9 tomorrow, 8 below tonight, and then only topping out in the teens on Thursday. And that snow could pick up in coverage later on today, tonight through early tomorrow. East Mountains, heavy snow, windy. Winds could gust near 45 miles per hour with highs only in the low to mid-teens. And your forecast for the metro, we'll continue to see scattered snow, perhaps picking up tonight. Highs today only in the teens and down to zero tonight. A high of 15 tomorrow, with the snow finally tapering off tomorrow afternoon, then 4 below tomorrow night. So dangerously cold for the next couple of mornings, and of course things should finally start to wind down tomorrow night, but travel could be an issue through early Thursday.
And our ticker's crawling with updated information for everyone as well. Well,